Thank you. Okay, after a great success of this model, Samsung GT C-3592, I found there is a problem on my silver 3592. Look at the phone first. This was silver and the keypad look dirty, so I decided to not to buy any silver model. So this is the box which I got today from Royal Mail. This is from Wembley, United Kingdom, as you can see here. So I bought another phone. Let's see what is inside the box. Same two model, but this time this one is red and this one is black. Let's see how look at these models are. So this is black model. Look how delicate it is. Look, the keypad is already black, so you don't have worry to look dirty or anything else. Look at the phone. Just look at the phone. Okay. And the box content is a headphone, old type headphone, and a charger along with a battery. Another one is wine red. This is the first time I bring this, the wine red color. Let's see how it's look alike. I am too much excited to buy this one. I think I am too much excited to unboxing this one because the one red is almost unavailable everywhere, but anyhow I manage this one. If you want this type of phone, you can contact me and bring it for you also. So this is wine red. What a beauty. Look. Oh, what a beautiful red color, as you can see. The keypad also came with wine red, so there is no issue with your silver keypad, which was look dirty after 1 or 2 months use, but phone was fine. So this is wine red and this is black. Okay, so this is wine red and this is black. Hope you like it. Again, in the box content is and this is same headphone, old type headphone Samsung, and this is a charger from Samsung, and this also along with a battery. So I am showing you one of this phone, how it's look from inside. So this is black, this is red, and this is black. Also you can compare with the silver. So this all my collections. Okay, I'll take a snapshot for my thumbnail. Okay, my iPhone 14 box over here. This take a snapshot. Just look these two beauties. Really, it's totally unavailable. It's totally unavailable in India. If you want this type of phone, you can contact me over my comment below. Sorry for my poor English. I'll definitely reply you by my WhatsApp, and if you want to buy this one also, you can contact me. So these three beauties. Let's see how the phone look inside. For that reason I have to open a single phone easily and install a battery which came along with the packet. Yes, first of all I'll say this is lithium ion battery and 3.7 volt battery. Okay, and the battery image was something like, yeah, so this is 800 mAh battery. As you can see, this is 800 mAh battery. That was enough to use this type of phone. Here you can see insert SIM 1, insert SIM 2, and on the menu we found here call log, contact, music, file manager, messages, internet, calendar, camera, alarm, Twitter, a bit of Facebook, and settings. And on another page something communication, chat, Insta Messenger, okay, Bluetooth, Google, Memo, FM radio, task, clock, and bookmark, calculator. Also there is a WhatsApp, but I think the WhatsApp is not able to run due to new modern type of WhatsApp is running on. So let's dig into settings. Okay, dual SIM settings, sound profile. On sound profile, general option, customization, ring type repeat, SIM 1 ringtone. There is only 5 pre-installed ringtone. Also you can select from your file. If I find ring volume, so this is maximum volume. And display, wallpaper, LED backlight, brightness, time settings, show date and time. On phone setting, time and date, language, preferred language, dedicated key, flight mode, etc. Call setting, advanced settings. On advanced setting, blacklisted, auto redial, call reminder, answering mode, auto call recorder also there. Here you can see auto call recorder also there. And on security system, phone security, auto keypad lock security, and the connectivity was empty. Reset, you can reset the device. By the way, this is all. This is actually feature phone. You can use it on your daily drive. Let's see how look from the close. Okay, and the red one. From the inside, okay, so this is it from me. Hope you like this video. If you like the video, please show your like, and if you discuss with the phone about anything you want to say, please comment below. And if you dislike the video, you can comment here but why you dislike the video. and make sure you are subscribing my channel so I can bring you more this type of video from like this. Okay, by the way, stay safe, stay healthy, have a nice day. I'll see you in next video. Thank you, have a nice day.